Alright, here we go. How to generate 2000 plus word articles, SEO articles that actually read well. Now, the tool which I'm using is Arrow. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to the campaigns and auto blogging. So this is the dashboard. So let me just explain you about Arrow. So if I come here to the dashboard, this is the main dashboard overview, and click on SEO article. Here, I simply input a keyword, and it's just going to take me into the inputs page, which is a wait list. And here I can click on generate article, or I can also edit the input. I can customize however I want, including the format, structure, internal linking, automation, external linking, automation, images, videos, etc. I can also fetch automatically YouTube videos. I can add the channels, I can do a lot of many things. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to the blog automation section, and here click on campaigns and auto blogs. But before that, you need to integrate. So click on integrations and click on create integration. And here you can download a WordPress plugin and put it on a WordPress, and it will be automatically fetched right here. So as you can see, I have added my domain. Go back to the campaign auto blogs, and here click on new campaign and run it, and click on new campaign and run it to the work. That's how you run the automation. And by the way, I have dropped a detailed video about it, how to run the automation, and the link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out.